morning.
Welcome back to the vlog. It's week 2 on the summer tour. We're here for the Lucy doubles. As we're looking for bowling balls in the paddock from the truck. We don't believe they're in here. But this event's pretty special because they raise money for breast cancer. They really treat the bowlers well. They feed us lunch after practice. And some cool pro-ams that are gonna happen over the weekend. So, it'll be a fun week. I found it! And we found Daria.
Hey, I'm like the camera.
What do we have here?
My ball.
Oh my god. It's literally your ball. You want to tell the people what you traded for that?
No.
It was like the equivalent of $1,000.
Worth?
I hope it was. It didn't crack.
Didn't crack. Then it wouldn't be worth it. I've never had one
A few
crack.
bowling balls crack over a period of time. It's very unfortunate.
Yeah.
How exciting. I can't wait to see you throw it. You think it's going to be good this week?
It depends how much they hook.
I don't think you're going to throw it at all.
But you said promotion?
It's shiny. I got you, friends!
You the man. Man, did they hire a doorman for this event or what?
Anything for content.
Do you accept tips or no?
So from now until 11 a.m. for your practice.
Practice time. Well, all done with practice. Well, look at this. What do we have here? Oh my God.
What's up, guys?
Yo. All right, well, we're trying to get on the truck. I think we're gonna drill a revival if we can find one. Yeah. It's like a normal squeeze for me. A revival. Oh, look at this. Right in front of us. Let's see if there's any other ones. Yeah, I'm trying to look for something like
Prather?
above, a step down from the Zen.
You getting a revival?
I think so.
Did you
Why
just
are
grab
you?
the last one?
I don't know.
What if I wanted to drill one?
Well, too bad. I got here first. Actually, technically, you got here first. I grabbed it first, unless you grabbed it and put it there. Dope.
I do want to
Oh,
drill one.
hold up. You can have that one. I'm drilling this one. Let's go.
Let's go!
Let's go.
I'm drilling.
Brad's copying me
Is it the same drill?
because we throw it exactly the same.
Well, dude, I admire you.
I admire you.
You're like the best bowler in the world.
I don't know about that, but
With your
I
thing, you are.
appreciate the. Honestly, I don't think I'm that good with it right now.
Right now, you're not?
No, I've been getting out of it pretty quick. Especially last week, everyone was throwing it. I got out of it, I think, first.
Yeah, but you got a lot of pins with it. You're the reason people threw it.
No, Mikey's the reason.
No.
Mikey beat you by 450.
You were about to shoot 140 game one. You struck out for 2.
No, nobody even saw
and then
that.
The whole building goes.
No. It didn't happen until match play after Mikey went
And then-
330 over.
It was. Oh yeah.
Nobody even got
I
to
went
200. I can't believe he beat you by
That's
450.
50 a game.
And before the block started, he said, "I'm coming after
That's
your
like
bald
75
ass."
a game. Trash. I'm trash.
That was crazy.
I
No,
know.
Mikey's just that good. What are we drilling?
We're getting dark.
Oh, we already talked about this.
Highest top. I picked the highest top.
All right. I mean, rotor grip in sight.
No, this one.
Well, this is Mikey's partner, Addie.
Yes, hi.
Wichita superstar. Yeah. All right. Standard pinup layout on the revival. Oh, we didn't pay yet. I guess we pay later. I'll pay when I go back, I guess. It's gross out here. I don't like it. Going back inside. We got turn of events. We're going to play golf with Marshall and Andy. Turn of events. Yeah, we went from doing absolutely nothing all day to sweating our balls off on the golf course.
Yeah.
Yeah, golf vlog. Everyone loves golf vlogs. All right, welcome back. We made it to the golf course. It's about an hour away from where we're staying. We're playing Carlton Hills? Is that? Carlton Woods. Hills, woods. There's woods in the hills. Yeah, it's Mikey, Marshall, our buddy Andy, who is a golf pro, and obviously myself. Well, golf course is beautiful. I personally don't love the weather. It's very humid. I don't like it.
But look at these houses.
These houses are quite, oh my God, they have a nice little fountain.
Yeah.
Doesn't suck. Living on a golf course wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. Mikey's not playing great. I'm playing pretty normal.
It's
I mean,
about
this
a little below
this
that.
course isn't very easy either. I'm playing about how I feel like should be playing. Short game's pretty good today. I'm not mad about that. Just having a good time.
Alright, is this a vlog drive?
Because tomorrow
bombs.
we go to work. Vlog drive? All right.
Vlog drive. We got.
Was that vlog worthy?
No.
Finished golf. I absolutely lost my mind, so I stopped vlogging. But everybody else had a good time. It was a beautiful course. Got to shout out Andy for making sure we had a place to play. It was real fun. Marshall holding the door for us, real nice. Now we're having all-you-can-eat sushi. Yeah? No?
Nope.
No cream cheese? I need this question answered in the comment section. Does cream cheese belong on sushi? Because no.
In sushi, not on sushi.
In, on, doesn't matter. No.
Depends.
No. For him, it depends.
What did cream cheese ever do to you?
It's great on bagels.
It is.
Just not on sushi.
It's great on everything.
No, it's not.
It is great on peanut butter and jelly and cream cheese sandwiches.
Okay, that's disgusting. Is it really?
On,
I believe that.
it's great on cream cheese ramen.
What?
It's great on.
Folks, do not take
Avocado
food advice
cream
from Marshall
cheese.
Kent. That is a bad idea.
It's great on.
Are you being
Wild
serious
cherry
right now?
Pepsi cream cheese.
Good, nice food. Belly. Satisfied. Many points. Big Barry. Very nice. I think Marshall's pregnant. What are you naming it?
Say it.
I'm gonna name him.
Don't know if it's a he or a she yet.
I'm gonna name him Shimmy.
Shimmy.
First.
Carlos. Sashimi.
I'm gonna name Big. Big
Sashimi. I get it. Ah. How was your day?
It was fantastic.
Really?
I mean, it was good.
Nice.
Practice went well.
Yeah, throwing a ball?
Nope.
Oh, you're not
Oh.
trying this week?
I laid 2 balls out
Okay.
for my partner.
I thought you only get 1 ball.
Well, it's 1, maybe if there's time, 2.
Oh, alrighty. Well,
Well, and she also throws 14, so
So you can control all.
okay. Well,
special.
Nice.
Special.
cool.
We'll see.
Chris is balling with Brie Cote, by the way. Yeah, I guess that's gonna do it for today's vlog. We had practice. We went and played golf. I hit it the worst I've ever hit it in the last like 2 years. And Mikey hit it okay. Not really. No. I mean, it was just a bad day for the ball striking.
I was out there having
Anyways, Mikey bowls tomorrow morning. I bowl in the afternoon. Chris bowls on Saturday, so he has tomorrow off. Don't know what he's gonna do.
Yay.
Yay. All right. Bye. Lucy, tomorrow. Bye.